Well, it's good to see you, and it's good to be seen and not viewed. That part. It's your boy Libs here with my wife Rhonda.
Ooh.
Yeah, we riding with baby Ada. We decided to call her baby Ada because she looked just like her mama. And we on our way to Tractor Supply to get these pads, baby. We started from scratch. No blueprint. No master plan. Just every day adding on. Subtracting what's not needed. Building. We here now. Conscious. Yeah, man, so we got our little rider for the day. She is so precious.
Say hi.
We call her Ada's twin. We don't really have a name for her, but she looked just like her mama, so we just call her Lil Ada the second. You know what I mean? She's so beautiful. Our little rider. She ride to the store with us. Go ahead, girl. Get your car ride on. Get your car ride on. She only been in the car twice. This is her second time ever being in the car. She was in the car yesterday to get her shots, her 6-week shots, and now she's in the car today, ride with us. Damn, this car riding up on me fast. I must be driving too slow.
No, they driving fast. The speed limit is 25.
Yeah, they driving fast. If you
they
hit
gonna help you get a ticket.
Yeah. You know what I was about to say?
No.
What?
Are you live or?
No, I'm on the video though.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Every time we leave the house, we're gonna take one with us. You know what I mean? Our little rider for the day. So this segment right here is our rider for today. You know what I mean? You might see a different pup. A lot of them look very similar, but we're gonna tell you which one is our rider for today. And today, we decided to go with Ada's twin. Lil Ada is what we calling her. The same thing we call her mama. It is what it is. It is what it is. So this is our rider. Oh, look at our little rider, Lil Ada.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Lil Ada's twin.
Oh, that was a nibble. Hey, wait a minute, girl.
Hey, I think I got it for her. That's not Lil Ada the second. That's
what?
baby Ada.
Baby Ada.
Baby Ada. That's her name, guys. We're going to call her baby Ada.
Hey, baby Ada.
Yeah.
Hey, baby Ada. You was leaking at first,
and
but
we
then
know
you did a little nibble. I don't know about that, baby.
We're going to know which one is her because there's another one that looked just like her, but she don't have the ticket marks on the snout. That's baby Ada right there.
Hey, baby Ada.
Yep. Pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. Well, the last time y'all seen us in this car, we was riding with Nino. Check that video out. I'll put that video in the description. Riding with Nino. As a matter of fact, we was riding with her father. We was riding with baby Ada's father.
To the same place.
To the same place.
Minus me.
Minus the wife. But the wife is always a good addition. But that day, it was minus the wife. Because she was busy in the house doing something. And me and Nino, we had to go get some pads, as a matter of fact. The same mission. We about to get some pads now, too. Same mission. Let's see if this video does as well as the Riding with Nino. I might name this video Riding with Nino's Daughter. I'm going to name it the same title as the Nino video, but this time it's going to be Nino's Daughter to Tractor Supply. Same title, but this time it's his daughter.
She's really calm.
Yeah, she's a sweetheart. Yeah,
I guess yesterday being in the car was enough for her. That it don't bother her today. She's just chilling.
Because she's solo. She ain't got all them other siblings climbing all over her and all that stuff.
But I'm talking about sometimes, you know, their first time in the car, they be wanting to crawl all across you, be all across your shoulder and everything.
Yeah.
Like, she's content with just sitting right there in my arms.
She's a little baby. She loved being held.
Yeah, they all spoiled like that.
Mm-hmm.
Don't lean back too far, baby.
She is so beautiful. Boy, whoever get her, man, they gonna have a winner chicken dinner. I can't make this shit up. This damn puppy is beautiful. She's so cool. Look at her. Oh. Oh. Oh, that just melts your heart. It melt my heart. Her just a chilling with her little blue eyes. Her little blue-eyed baby. I might name the video that. Blue-eyed baby. Baby Ada.
You done got 5 titles already.
Yeah.
Ain't that right, baby Ada?
I'm telling you, man, we got the best blues. This is a blue tribe female. And she is beautiful. And she is looking for a forever home. Oh, her about to go sweepy.
Is she baby Ada?
Baby Ada. Look at the shoes on her. Oh, man. Her sweepy. So we got to get some pads and some gloves. And our mission is complete. Some pads and some gloves. Riding with baby Ada. Boy, I love these daggone puppies.
Aw, she going to sleep.
Yeah, she going to sleep. You about to wake up now, because we about to take you in the store, baby. We almost there.
Fighting it.
She fighting that sleep. That ride putting her out. That's all they want to do at this age anyway, is eat and sleep. Yep. Time don't stop, so the grind don't stop. Hit that like button. You know what I mean? Comment on the video. We love reading the comments. And we love responding to the comments. And share this video because baby Ada is looking for a forever home. So you can do us that favor. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you are subscribed, thanks for stopping by. We're going into Tractor Supply. Enjoy this video. I'm going to leave this car running. You need some help?
Uh-huh.
Precious little girl getting her time out without being in timeout. Sweet baby Ada. What's
Sunday
that?
clinics from 4:30 to 6. Do they do regular clinic or
I
just
don't
shots?
know. Just shots. I don't know. That's a good thing to figure out.
So if they do like regular visits, I wonder if Luna can come get a shot,
Probably so.
like an antibiotic.
Hey,
What's that, buddy? What we got there?
we got a XL American Bully.
What's that, buddy?
Yeah, we call her Baby Ada.
She gonna start spoiling them already. Watch out.
That's a girl. She is spoiled though. This her second time out.
Best time to do that. Get them used to it.
Oh yeah.
She gonna be a pretty dog, man.
Thank you. She looked just like her mama. A splitting image, but her mama got a whole bunch of white right here.
Heavy.
But everything else looks the same.
She gonna be pretty.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go get our pads.
And gloves.
Oh, and gloves. Oh, I forgot about that part. I'm glad we didn't leave here without it. How you doing? All righty.
Got a new baby?
Yes, we do.
Oh.
That's baby Ada.
Oh,
She is so precious, and she loves being out.
She is.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they don't have the big pack.
Oh,
They
man.
got the big pads, but not the biggest pack that we be getting.
The ones that I got is the biggest pack that we be
The
getting.
one that be there.
Damn, he ran out.
We bought them all.
So, what are you getting now? The smaller ones?
This is the same size pad. It's just not the same size pack.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, cool. Get
It's only
that.
50.
As
Normally
long as it's the
100.
same size, we'll just have to come back when they re-up or, you know, whatever we got to do.
I'm gonna get this.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it's time for them to get warmer today.
Yeah.
And I don't know how much we got in there.
Now for these gloves.
I don't even know where to find.
Me neither. I never shop for gloves or anything like that. In here.
It might be more towards the front, but
I see some on the wall, but it ain't what we're looking for. They might not even sell those here.
well, I told you originally, Lowe's.
Oh, we can go to Lowe's. Can Lowe's have pets in there?
Yeah.
All right. We can go to Lowe's because these are rubber gloves, but they're not disposable. Shout out to them KJs, man. We've been doing a lot of interacting and a lot of building, and I appreciate it. And I got my list written down at the house. I wish I had it with me so I could shout out everybody else. But shout out to them KJs. Shout out Mole Rat. Shout out to Andre Williams. Shout out to Sadira Williams. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jay Galang. You know what I mean? We're going to get busy. We're going to get to it.
I can get somebody on this other side.
All right.
I like that dog.
Thank you. You could take her home with you. She an XL.
That's one.
She ABKC.
I know they're
registered.
worth it, but
Yeah, I feel you.
you know what I mean?
We'll work with you.
That's why I'm not taking
I feel you, bro. You about to tear something down. He definitely about to tear something down with that hammer.
Need that receipt? Okay. You have a good one. Thank you. All of it together?
Oh,
Do
no,
it
no.
separate.
Okay. You have phone number?
I was just thinking, I hope that $10. That's what you know I was
I already
thinking.
used it. I already used it.
It's not up there today.
Because he used it.
Yeah, so hey, you guys got the fresh chickens in now. Fresh chicken, ducks, just come in.
Oh, yeah?
Got these some?
Nah, not today.
How about duck?
Nah.
How about a puppy? We got puppies in it.
No, I don't come home.
Do you want a bag for this, ma'am?
No, it's fine. I'll just drop it in here.
I'm trying to sell me bike now.
And
910.
About 15 chickens. Or a chicken I had.
2674.
And on duck don't last long. Your duck eggs be that big. They make best cake in the world. Duck eggs. Yes, man. You be surprised.
I got 4 adult bees in my house.
Yeah, I got you.
Them ducks, they're going to be a play toy.
Oh, no.
There you go. Y'all have a wonderful
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you.
They'll be a sniper then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Have a good one, too.
Hello, welcome to Dragonfly. How y'all doing? Hey, good to see you again, man.
It's nice and friendly up in here today, ain't it? You good? We never got the gloves, right?
No.
We're going to Lowe's. All right. So they ain't had the gloves we need, so we're gonna head over to Lowe's and get the disposable gloves that we need. You know what I mean? So I'll see you after the edits, but don't roll the credits. To Lowe's. Right. About to go up in here and see if they got the gloves that we need. And let's see how this go. We got the baby Ada with us. Yeah. Her first Lowe's trip. Hey.
It's hot.
It is hot. But it's not too hot.
Now in here, I wouldn't know where to find them at all. Anyway,
Yeah,
so
we're gonna have to look
ask
around.
somebody.
Yeah. Yeah, you
Or
in
it might be
Lowe's now,
straight down
boo
here
boo.
with the cleaning stuff.
That makes sense. Oh, look at them pretty ones. Oh, they pretty. Hi. Oh, they so beautiful. What are they?
They are boxer and pit.
Oh man, I never
Yeah,
seen
she's
nothing
got
like
a new
that.
See the baby.
Yeah, that's the baby.
You want to see the baby? You gotta smell the baby. Yeah.
Oh, they nice. They twins.
And what is he?
That's an XL American Bully. That's a female.
So pretty.
That's a very, I know it's a little puppy, but that's a very big dog.
Yeah.
110 pounds.
Ooh. She will be a big one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's
It's
so
so
beautiful. Oh, look at them. Oh man.
Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all. I never seen no dogs like that. She said boxer and pit mix.
Uh-huh.
They look all right.
Okay, I don't see any gloves.
Oh, I didn't even looking for them. All right, we're gonna have to ask. Where did I get them last disposable? I got them from Dollar General, but they wasn't. Yeah, but they wasn't a big box. Yeah, I want a big box of them.
I see them, but they gotta be a box.
Yeah, I only seen the hand ones at the Dollar General too. I don't know about all the way down here. Huh?
He worked here.
All right, so we found the ones that we're gonna run with. It's 100 in the pack here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna run with these ones, and we're gonna get up out of here.
Well, this is where the paint was. Remember I said
Right?
it's purple like
Yeah, you did say that. Little baby Ada, we about to get up out of here, girl.
Oh, they done changed it up in here again.
Oh, yeah.
See the one? Well, she was in line. Were you in line?
No, I was waiting on her.
Oh. Thank you.
Oh, you guys, his mom. Is it boy or girl?
It's a girl.
A girl.
Just like that. So sweet.
She's available.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was someone new.
Yeah, no, we got, I think she got one brother and 4 sisters.
That need homes.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
She's our riding buddy for the day.
Oh, that's so sweet. It makes a difference when you have them all loved up.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it does.
Oh, yeah. Since birth.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi. Son, how are you, darling?
All right, let's be up. You too, man. All right, I do believe that's enough footage for this video. Camera off.